So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in game bar. Click on it. And now once you run this, you're going to click on settings on the top. We should now be seeing all of this right here. Now on the left hand side, we should be seeing audio. You're going to click on voice. Make sure that you have your correct input device selected for your voice. See if that works for you. If your correct input has already been selected, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. And now you're going to click on more sound settings. And now once we're here, you're going to go to the recording tab. And now you're going to find your microphone that you use with game bar. You're going to double click on it. And then click on advanced. We're now going to click on the drop down. You want to try out both 44,000 and 48,000 quality. So just try out both of these. And then click on apply. Try out both of those on the game bar. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in game bar. Now you're going to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset. And then click on reset again. It's now going to reset the game bar. Now you just want to open up game bar again, and then this should now fix your problem. For the next method, just unplug your microphone and then plug it back in. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.